Like to have a side of
Cajun rice.
Yes.
Cajun rice. Regular or large?
Regular.
Okay, anything else?
That'll be all. Oh, yes, also an apple pie.
One apple pie. Okay. Anything else for you?
That'll be all.
Okay, $5.10.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, anything else?
That'll be all.
Okay, go around.
Thank you. That was just on the radio, like it was not planned to have Weird Al playing in the background as I made this video. I can already tell before tasting these which one I know is, shoot. This is why we don't eat in the car. Crap. As I was saying, I can already tell which one is going to taste better out of the Popeyes and the Bojangles. And I'm kind of disappointed. Like, I thought Popeyes would be the more flavorful one out of the two. But if you're looking here at the actual dishes, one just looks bland. I'm gonna do a shot like this so you can, before you can see which one is which one do you think? But yeah, this tastes exactly like it looks, and it actually has little pieces of sausage in it, so you're not going to gain anything by not eating either one due to pork restrictions. So given that you don't have any of those, definitely go with the Bojangles. This tastes exactly like you think it would taste, and we're going off just the taste.
Election deniers lost. What did we learn from the 2022 midterms? We'll ask this Tuesday, November 15th, on All Things Considered.
Popeyes, do better. It literally tastes like eating cardboard or paper. It is bland. It has a little bit of heat at the end, but I would not eat that unless it's the only thing I had to eat to survive.
Also, Michelle Obama sits down with us to talk motherhood, marriage, and politics.
The Bojangles has a lot more flavor off the gate, and maybe that's because it has the larger chunks of chocolate. Sausage, no chocolate in it. But the texture of the rice in the Bojangles is also a little softer. Maybe they cooked it a little longer. But out of the two, I prefer the Bojangles. I wouldn't eat either one weekly, or even like this is a once in a blue moon when I just want some dirty rice or Cajun rice. But yeah, as far as fast food, these are the only two options that I know of that are local or chains. So out of Popeyes and Bojangles is the clear winner. Mitch Drive Food Review.